So now let us discuss the function or C code to implement this. So for example, void create and we will take node pointer p and pointer t. I hope it is clear why p is required, why pointer t is a temporary pointer. Then integer x to insert data. You need Q data structure, so you must have correctly working code of a Q data structure to implement this. Now printf enter root value. Scanf %d %x. Now we will need actual memory for this node, so root is equal to malloc and whatever you may assume it or write it, and root of data is equal to x. Then we will set both the L child and R child to 0. R child is equal to 0. And now as the root node is now created, so we will insert the address of root into the Q data structure. So nq root, this will insert this 100 into this Q data structure as we have already discussed. Now while Q is not empty, we will point this p pointer to the dequeued node. So p is equal to deque %q. Now we will ask whether that node has a left child or not. So enter left child scanf %d %x. Now if x is not equal to -1, that means that node has a left child. So we will create this temporary node t is equal to malloc. So we have created this temporary node. Now we will insert the data is equal to x. Then we will set both t of L child is equal to t of R child is equal to 0. Now we have to set this t to the left of p. So p of L child is equal to t. And now we will insert this t. Okay, for example, this node is created 200. That 200 we will insert into this Q data structure. So nq t. Now all these same steps you have to repeat for a right child also. So there printf entered the right child, scanf %d %x, else if x is not equal to -1, you have to create a new node, t of data is equal to x, t of L child, R child is equal to 0. Only this thing will change, p of R child is equal to t, and then you will insert that node nq_t. I hope how can you create or generate a tree data structure is clear to you.